girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Ellie Duhé and GRYFFIN. They made a cool song called Forever. So it's about 4 chords and we're gonna mainly play one strumming pattern. So let's start with this one. We need to use a capo here on the first fret to have the best, easiest chords possible for this one. So capo on the first fret, and let's go over to look at the chords. We have first the D chord here. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. This. Yeah, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. That is A, and the final chord will be B minor. So bar here on the second fret from A string and down, that means from 5 string, bottom up like this, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor. So D, G, A, and B minor. We're gonna look at this to begin with the first verse, and this will be a little bit different, just downs here for this one, and the rest will pretty much be a strumming bass song. Okay, so first the chord progression here will be G, A, B minor, and A. Okay, so that is how it starts. So you're gonna play just downs. So it starts with G. You're gonna play G down, and then a break, and then comes one down more on G, and then you switch quickly to A. So it goes like this. And then from A to B minor. And then you stay with 2 more B minors, and then you finish off with 1 down on A. So to summarize this, that was the first verse. You're gonna play G, G, A, B minor, B minor, B minor, A. So that's the rhythm and how many times you're gonna play everything. So I'm gonna take it through for you from the beginning till the end. It will sound like this. And then starts the first pre-chorus. I don't know how to belong down here. All right, so that's where we are in the lyrics. Now starts the strumming, and it starts with G. So let's grab that chord. And one strumming around will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so first down, up, then comes a clap, and up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. So you can just imagine down, up times 4, but the clap replaces one of the downs, the third down here. Otherwise it just continues down, up, and then comes the clap that replaces the down, and then up, down, up. All right, so if that helps in your head, that is how it works. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Alright, so you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for G, then 2 strumming rounds for A, and 4 strumming rounds for B. So pre-chorus, and that takes us to the first chorus. I'll run the red lights just to see how it feels. Okay, so that's where we are. Now you're gonna play still the same strumming pattern, and you're gonna play now the chord progression B minor, A, G, and D. All right, and that is one chord progression. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. You're gonna play one strumming round per chord. So 4 rounds of this chord progression. One round will sound like this. Another B minor, A, G, and D. And the fourth and final round. That is your chorus. We have then one post-chorus comes right after. You're gonna continue the strumming here. B minor, A, G, and D in the same way as you play the chorus. You play that for another 2 rounds. All right, then comes the second verse. Differs a little bit from the first one. We will not play this downs only, so we will continue with the strumming pattern here. So you're gonna play G, 2 strumming rounds, A, 2 strumming rounds, and B minor, 4 strumming rounds. We don't have to play through that, we understand by now. So that is the second verse. The second pre-chorus played in the same way as the first one. And then comes the second chorus. Okay, this differs a little bit. The first 2 rounds, it will play in the same way as you played the first chorus. All right, so the B minor, A, G, and D with the strumming. Okay. Then for the next 2 rounds, still the same chord progression here. You play just downs for these, okay? So you're gonna play 4 downs per chord. So final round, B minor, A, 4 downs on each chord, G, and on the last one, D, just 1 down plus a pause, and that builds up for the next round. So to summarize this second chorus, the first 2 chord progression rounds, you're gonna play in the same with the strumming as you played in the first chorus, and the next 2 rounds of the lyrics are around the red lights. That's where we are in the middle of the second chorus. You're just gonna play 4 downs per chord, except from the last D in the second round, or fourth and final round, you can say in this chorus. You will just play 1 down and have a pause there. And then you will have the last final post-chorus part. You will play the strumming there in the same way as you played the first post-chorus. Now instead you're gonna play for 4 rounds. Then it ends with an outro part. You're gonna continue the same chord progression, B minor, A, G, and D, just 1 down per chord for the 2 last rounds. And that pretty much covers Ellie Duhé's and GRYFFIN's Forever. So pretty easy to play this one. Practice the strumming and you will have at least 80% of this song, and the rest is pretty simple as well. So good luck with this one, guys. Forever and ever and ever. Play tuned.